Good morning, friends. Nowadays, CJA is coming into the limelight by his obituary dicta or by his expression or by his attitude. Yes, he is commenting on certain topics. Yesterday, he has commented that he never saw such a loosely knit charge sheet. He never saw such charge sheet in his life. He might have argued in so many cases, but the charge sheet is so shabbily prepared and it relates to the bail petition. So this is a case, you can read it as this is Sahabuddin versus State of Rajasthan. So if you go into the details of the case, Mr. Sahabuddin is an army officer. He married the deceased, his wife, in 2002. Of course, the information is, or the allegations of the charge sheet is that he has financially helped her brother, that means brother-in-law. He has financially helped his brother-in-law in the early days of the marriage. Of course, the brother-in-law did not repay the money and there arose some disputes in the family between wife and husband. So this army man wants his money to be collected back. Of course, she wanted to give some other explanation. That boy is not ready to pay something, but differences cropped up between them and lot of... so the tempers ran high. So when he came out inside, she committed suicide. And while committing suicide, he says that, allegedly said that he has dragged the door of the house, requesting her to open, and she did not open. Ultimately, she died. The case of 306 IPC 304 Part 2 was also registered against him. He was arrested. This happened in the month of April. He was arrested and now he is in Alwar jail. Alwar jail. So he filed a bail petition before the regular sessions court, refused. Then he approached the Honorable High Court of Rajasthan for bail, but it was also negated in I think in June 2021, right? Ultimately, he filed an SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and yesterday the arguments have come. Of course, the advocate on behalf of army person, he has vehemently argued that there is no material, even the charge sheet has been filed, and the police did not connect him directly to the commission of offence. So, after perusing the copies of the FIR and connected record charge sheet, the Honorable Supreme Court Chief Justice of India remarked, "I have never seen such a shabbily knitted, loosely knitted charge sheet in my entire life." Because the police say that there is no direct evidence. The police charge sheet says there was no direct evidence linking him to the offence. Then what for the charge sheet? Of course, the advocate says that he is an army person and his life would be ruined. But Chief Justice of India caught the weak links in the charge sheet and issued notice to the state to transfer the case to an independent agency, because he has already observed that the police did not investigate the case thoroughly, and he has, by seeing the charge sheet itself, the judge has come to the opinion. So very bad comments on the part of the investigation by the police, right? So here CJI said, so when the bail petition has come, CJI said, let us not go into the merits of the case. Directly he said, you have killed your wife. You have got developed contacts with another woman. And you have videographed the death of your wife. Without making any efforts to rescue her, you have videographed. Please do not invite observations on the merits of the case. It is not a fit case for granting bail. So the bail has been rejected. That means Supreme Court says that it need not interfere with the observation of the High Court, because already High Court has refused him to be bailed. So in this case, the main point is the observations by the Chief Justice India. On seeing the charge sheet, he has clearly stated that it is a very shabbily written charge sheet and very loosely knitted charge sheet. What is the purpose of investigation? Of course, everybody knows investigation should be the goal of the truth. When you come to conclusion that A has committed the offense, then you must gather all evidence which connects the link between the accused and the crime. Such a loosely knitted charge sheet is not at all allowed in the view of the Supreme Court, and therefore he has directed the state of Rajasthan to entrust the investigation to some other independent agency. So, thorough probe. Please remember, by saying the charge sheet is come up the weak links. So, don't be under the impression that the judges do not know anything. They know all these things. Ground level also they know. So, please, if any police officer sees this video, please be careful while framing the charge sheet, and better you consult the public prosecutor and let him draft the charge sheet. That will be better, because they are the people who daily interact with the court. But nowadays I have been seeing, as youngsters we used to consult the APP and he used to draft the charge sheet. Nowadays gone are the days. People are depending only on the typist for the charge sheet, and the charge sheet is like this. So why should you invite the troubles or very bad remarks, that too on at the level of the CJI, how bad it is. So please don't do such things. Thank you very much.